DJI Neo 2, the next evolution in mid-range drones. The DJI Neo 2 is poised to redefine the mid-range drone market with its anticipated release in 2025. Building upon the success of its predecessor, the Neo 2 is expected to offer a blend of advanced features and affordability, making it an attractive option for both hobbyists and semi-professional drone users. Anticipated specifications and features. While official specifications are yet to be confirmed, leaks and industry insiders suggest the following enhancements. Camera system. A significant upgrade is expected in the camera department, with rumors pointing towards a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 5.1K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. This would place the Neo 2 ahead of many competitors in its class. Flight performance. The Neo 2 is anticipated to offer improved flight times, potentially up to 45 minutes, thanks to a more efficient power system. Enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors are also expected, providing all-directional detection for safer flights. AI-powered features. Advanced AI functionalities, including subject tracking, terrain follow, and automated cinematic routes, are likely to be integrated, offering users more creative control and ease of use. Transmission system. An upgraded transmission system, possibly OcuSync 4.0 or a new proprietary technology, is rumored to provide low-latency 1080p live feeds over extended ranges. Positioning in DJI's product lineup. The Neo 2 is expected to fill the gap between DJI's entry-level and professional drones. While the DJI Flip caters to casual users seeking portability, and the Mavic 4 series targets professionals with high-end requirements, the Neo 2 aims to offer a balanced mix of performance and affordability. Market impact and pricing. If priced competitively between $899 and $1,199, the Neo 2 could become a dominant player in the mid-tier drone market. Its combination of advanced features and reasonable pricing would appeal to a broad audience, from content creators to budget-conscious professionals. Conclusion. The DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be a significant release in 2025, offering a compelling mix of advanced features at a mid-range price point. With its anticipated enhancements in camera quality, flight performance, and AI capabilities, it stands to redefine expectations for what a mid-range drone can offer.